Have you ever wondered kung bakit Santa Rosa, Laguna is becoming one of the hottest spots for property investment right now? If you're a Filipino working abroad, or maybe you're a professional investor na naghahanap ng smart move sa real estate, then you're watching the right vlog today. Hi everyone, this is Christine from Prestige Properties and welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're diving into why Solen Residences isn't just a place to call home, but it's actually one of the promising investment opportunities you don't want to miss. So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa actual site ng Solen Phase 1C Extension. So as you can see, ito na yung ating ongoing land development, and based dun sa mga latest vlog ko na makikita nyo dito sa YouTube, as I mentioned, the property is going to turn over by fourth quarter by this year. So may mga available lots pa tayo dito and we will discuss here on my vlog. Alam ko, marami sa atin, especially those working abroad, we are always looking for the ways to secure the future, whether for our family or our personal goals. So what makes Santa Rosa is a perfect choice? Well, it's all about location, lifestyle, accessibility, and the future growth of the area. So lahat yan, nakapokus tayo today kung paano nga ba yung mga factors na to, yun yung nagiging game changer natin dito sa Solen Residences. So as you can see dun sa mga latest vlog natin, since Santa Rosa, Laguna is located in a prime location, this is very accessible in 3 major exits. So hindi mawawala to syempre dun sa mga bagong kakapanood lang ulit sa ating vlog. So this project is located nearby in 3 exits. So we have the Mamplasan exit, Greenfield Mamplasan exit, Eton exit, and Santa Rosa exit. So yan yung mga major roads natin na nadadaanan dito sa if you're going here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So first, let's talk about location. Santa Rosa is strategically located in a prime location, positioned just south of Metro Manila, making it the perfect blend of the peaceful suburban living and easy access to the hustle and bustle of the city. Sa mga clients natin, kung kayo ay naghahanap ng lugar na hindi masyadong malayo sa Metro Manila pero gusto mo pa rin tahimik, relax, yung uuwi ka sa peaceful place, so Santa Rosa, Laguna is a great choice for you. With the major roads like South Luzon Expressway or mas kilala nating SLEX, yung Solen Residences natin is napakalapit lang dito. So if you're from Metro Manila at nag-exit kayo sa Eton, napakalapit lang natin, almost 5 to 10 minutes nandito na tayo sa Solen Residences. And if you're going to Alabang or Makati, this is just few 30 to 45 minutes away din lang itong ating Solen Residences. Kaya naman kung ang work nyo is Manila and nag-uuwian kayo dito, this is very strategic location, and marami rin tayong mga commercial and establishment dito sa area. And that's not all. Santa Rosa is nearby Nuvali. So kilala to pagka sinabi mong Nuvali in Laguna. So Nuvali, a fully developed eco-community that offers shopping malls, restaurant, parks, and everything you need. Dito na, hindi lahat basta residential area, complete community. So, imagine you can have everything you need and all that is just few minutes away from Solen Residences. So later, papakita ko rin sa inyo kung ano ba yung mga establishment nearby natin dito paglabas nyo ng Solen Residences. So now, let's talk about why Solen Residences is a great investment for both local and overseas investors natin. Una sa lahat, it's a growing, malaki ang development natin dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So kung may mga future plans kayo, may mga commercial spaces, malls, or even school that you will make value of your property rise. Luzon Expressway or SLEX. Napakalapit lang neto sa Solen Residences. Actually, from Eton, this is 5 to 10 minutes away lang, nandito na kayo sa Solen Residences. And this is very easy rin kung kayo is going to Makati, Alabang, just 30 to 45 minutes, nandun na kayo sa location na gusto nyo. So kung gusto mong yung talagang bahay mo is malapit lang to your workplace, so Santa Rosa is one of the property na masasabi natin in terms of location, napaka-accessible natin dito. So syempre aside from the SLEX, we have also the Calax na makakatulong din sa atin mapabilis yung ating in terms of transportation. So, yan naman yung mga mahahalaga once na bibili tayo ng property or mag-i-invest tayo sa isang lugar. And that's not all. Santa Rosa is nearby Nuvali. So, alam naman natin pag sinabi nating Nuvali, this is a fully developed eco-community that offers shopping malls, restaurants, parks, and everything you need nandito na. So paglabas nyo ng Solen, hindi na kayo mamomroblema or hindi lang ito puro residential area yung makikita nyo dito sa Solen Residences. So imagine, you can have everything that you need and all that is few minutes away lang from Solen Residences. So paglabas nyo dito, makikita nyo na agad nandyan yung ating paseo, which is your family you can enjoy, or yung kids kung gustong maglaro, napakalapit lang natin sa ating mga playgrounds or other open spaces na kung ayaw nyo na ditong mag-play or yung mga available amenities natin dito, gusto nyo lumabas. So, marami kayong option. So, paglabas nyo lang ng Solen, marami na kayong pagpipilian. So, why Solen Residences is a great investment for both local, overseas investors or sa mga client natin abroad. So una sa lahat, it's a growing, malaki yung development natin dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna and napakarami natin ng future plans, commercial spaces, malls or even mga parks. And syempre, yun yung nagpapataas ng value ng property natin dito in the future. And being part of this development, like securing the piece of future growth, na alam nyo naman kapag ka nakabili na kayo ng property dito kay Greenfield, so matutulog lang siya or like example, investment lang talaga. Gusto mo ma-secure lang kung ano yung value ng property ngayon and in the future. Kung hindi mo pa siya, kung ayaw mo siyang paggawa ng house, pwede mo rin itong ibenta or pataasin mo lang yung value ng property. So ngayon, let's move to lifestyle. So kanina tinakil natin about the accessibility ng location natin dito sa Solen Residences. So hindi lang dapat puro trabaho or negosyo yung hinahanap natin, right? So dapat meron pa rin tayong lifestyle. We also want the place where you can relax, unwind, and spend quality time for your families and kids. So Solen Residences offer that. May malawakang open spaces tayo dito. So pag nag-viewing tayo, makikita nyo yung mga yung mga amenities that we offer here in Solen Residences. So syempre, pag bibili kayo ng property, dapat hindi lang yung lote yung tinitingnan nyo. Syempre, since this is a long-term investment, dapat inaalam din natin kung ito ba pag binili mo yung property na to, mag-i-enjoy din ba yung inyong family and kids. So mahalaga siya. So upon tripping natin dito sa Solen, ipapakita namin yung mga existing amenities that we're offering. So kahit na malapit tayo sa city, dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, you can still experience this peace and quiet place dito sa Solen Residences. And imagine waking up to the fresh air, going to your walk or pagka nagja-jogging kayo tuwing umaga. So meron din tayong park or having a home in a community na may perfect balance to nature and modern amenities. And for Filipinos coming back home from working abroad, this is kind of lifestyle is a total game changer. Like here in Solen, paglabas nyo, nandito na si Paseo Greenfield, we have more on parks, green spaces that for sure talaga namang mag-e-enjoy kayo and your kids. So magkakaroon pa rin kayo ng mga bonding ng inyong family. So since kami malapit din dito sa area ni Greenfield, my kids is madalas din dito sa area. So nandito rin si Nuvali. So hindi lang naman ito actually yung mapupuntahan nyo dito. Malapit din tayo kay Tagaytay. And of course, in Santa Rosa, everything you need is within reach. You've got Dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna or kay Solen Residences, you've got the top-rated hospitals like the Medical City South, Qualimed here in Nuvali. So kapag bibili tayo ng investment, this is one of the qualifications din na dapat tinitingnan natin. So syempre hindi lang naman ito more on about lifestyle. So syempre paano in terms of emergency. So napakahalaga nito kung ano ba yung establishment na malapit or hospitals na pwede nating puntahan in case of meron tayong kids na kailangan pumuntang hospital or elders na kailangan nating dadalhin dito. And syempre aside from the hospital, we have the malls nearby. So since ito ay si Greenfield, hindi lang siya totally si Greenfield, we have the Ayala. And the Ayala, here is we have the Solinad 1, 2, 3. And ang maganda pa dito, meron tayong ongoing Solinad 4. So nandito na rin si Vista Mall natin by Bilyar. So paglabas nyo, nandito na rin siya sa area. Madadaanan nyo siya if you're going to Tagaytay. And also we have the SM Santa Rosa. So nasa city yan, SM Santa Rosa. And of course, we have the SM Yulo Premier which is ongoing na lagi naman naming tinatakel kapag kami may vlog. Which is, ito kasi napakalaki rin itong dinedevelop dito ni SM Yulo na soon mag-ooperate din dito sa Nuvali. So, sa Nuvali, may ongoing din tayong Mary Mart that will soon mag-ooperate din dito sa area. So imagine, napakarami yung pwedeng puntahan once na nag-invest kayo ng property dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna and dito kay Solen Residences. Aside from that, so we have the location, as I mentioned kanina, and of course, we have the healthcare facilities na mention na natin. And ngayon, syempre yung mga school. Kung may kids kayo na mag-aaral soon, they're also a good or prestigious school here in the area. So to mention a few, nandito yung ating UST, University of Santo Tomas, and we also have the De La Salle University Laguna, sa Laguna campus, and we also have the Malayan College, Miriam College, Nuvali, Xavier School, saka yung Everest Schools natin dito sa Nuvali. Actually, marami kayong option naman pagdating sa mga schools, so makakapili talaga yung inyong mga kids kung asan nila gustong mag-aral in the future. So, yan. So, makikita nyo naman kung gaano nga ba in terms of accessibility, in terms of lifestyle, healthcare facilities, and school. So, na-mention naman natin lahat yan. Dito, lahat yan is within the area ni Solen Residences. And ngayon, let's talk about the future of your investment. So, many of our Filipinos client abroad or a retiree na most of our client ngayon is from US and Canada that looking for a property here in the Philippines. So one of the property na tinitingnan talaga nila is Santa Rosa, Laguna. So makikita nyo naman syempre yung accessibility. Hindi kayo parang iisang daanan lang yung mapupuntahan nyo or madadaanan if you're from Metro Manila or you're going to Tagaytay. Napakalapit lang niya. And alam nyo naman kung gaano ka-progressive yung ating Santa Rosa, Laguna for today. So makikita nyo rin yung mga kaliwat kanan na development natin dito sa area. So syempre, yung value rin ng property natin dito, so in certain times or 5 to 10 years from now, tataas pa rin lalo yung value ng property natin. So here at Solen Residences Extension, ang current price natin dito, our price per square meter is 50,000 per square meter. So, syempre, nagtaas na rin siya from the date that we launched last year. And ang starting price na natin ngayon is 7.5 million. And ang kagandahan naman dito, our price, itong ating ino-offer is direct to the developer, which is nag-o-offer sila ng stretchable payment terms. And now, Santa Rosa real estate market is booming. And kung makikita natin yung mga plano for infrastructure improvements like new roads, transportation options, and more, it's clear that the area will continue to appreciate the value over time. So by buying a property here in Solen Residences or other property here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, you're not just buying a property or a home, you're just making a smart investment for your future. So syempre, hindi naman tayo mag-i-invest na kung wari binili mo way back 5 years, then 5 years from now, safe pa rin yung value. So hindi tumataas. So eto, dito kay Solen Residences, mabilis tumaas yung value ng ating property. And ang maganda pa dito sa Solen Residences is that you're not just buying land. Kung may interest ka sa pre-selling residential lots, so Solen Residences offers flexible payment options and customized design. So dito rin, syempre we offer lots only. And may papakita kami sa inyo dito na mga sample houses that you can choose kung ano rin yung preferred lot nyo. So syempre dito, every lots that we're offering may mga designated design or house design na pwede nyong pagpilian. Dito yung ating house design is Modern Asian Tropical. So makikita nyo naman from the model houses or existing houses natin, yung mga window nila is talagang malalaki. So, dito rin kay Solen Residences, you can choose from different models or even customize the design, yung pinakaloob ng bahay ninyo. Kayo na yung bahala dong once na nagpagawa kayo ng property. So, from the single family homes to bigger, multiple bedrooms for the properties, there are something that every type of the family, whether you're planning to retire in peace or set up family business. So dito makikita nyo pag nag-viewing tayo kay Solen Residences, most of the property or most of the model houses natin for the regular cut is 3 bedrooms. So syempre, depende pa rin naman sa atin kapag tayo yung nag-build ng house, kung paano ba yung magiging interior design natin, ano ba yung gusto nyo magiging itsura ng pinakaloob ng bahay natin. Syempre, in terms of design din, dito, kapag kayo bumili na ng lote, meron lang tayong blueprint na which is bibilhin din natin ito kay Solen Residences. Then for the architect or yung mga gagawa ng bahay natin, construction, contractor, pwede naman yan third party na. So may chance pa rin kayo makakuha, or kung ang family nyo is mga nagbibuild talaga ng house, papa-accredit lang tayo para at least masunod or So para at least kung may mga kakilala na kayo na contractor, hindi na kayo mahihirapan pang humanap kung sino yung gagawa or magbibuild ng bahay. So ayan, ang dami ko nang nasabi about sa Solen Residences, hoping that in the future magmi-meet tayo dito sa Solen Residences. So whether you're thinking about investment for the long term or finally building your dream home, syempre lahat naman sa atin ang gusto in the future matutupad yung ating dream home or kung may mga design tayo sa bahay. So kaya most of our clients din ang hinahanap talaga is lot only. So dito kay Solen Residences, we're offering the residential lots only. Then pipili lang kayo kung ano yung mga houses or design na pwede nating ano yung designated design for the lot we avail here in Solen Residences. So if you're a Filipino abroad or a professional investor looking for a smart real estate move, now is the perfect time to invest in Solen Residences. So ayan, napakita ko na sa inyo or na-discuss ko na sa inyo yung advantages once na nag-avail kayo ng property here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So syempre, pag bibili tayo ng property, napakahalaga kung ano ba yung magbe-benefit sa atin, yung return kapag bumili tayo ng property sa isang location. So syempre, once na nabili tayo ng property, iba pa rin or advantage pa rin direct to the developer. Dito kasi once na bumili kayo ng property direct to the developer, as I mentioned kanina, our starting price that we're selling for the Solen Phase 1C extension is 7.5 million. And dito, ang regular natin or standard computation for the pre-selling lots that we're offering is 10% down payment payable in 18 months. So makikita nyo naman hindi pa rin tayo nagkakaroon ng changes about the computation. Kaya naman magandang makahabol pa rin tayo, or kung nag-iisip pa rin kayong mag-invest dito kay Solen Residences, hindi pa rin tayo naman nahuhuli. So makikita nyo naman yung ating mga latest developments. So this one on this side, this is the cluster 1 that we shared to you last year. And ngayon makikita nyo naman itong cluster 2 natin, almost nag-ano na rin, halos nagsabay na rin siya ng development, and this year na rin halos sila ite-turn over ni developer. Kaya naman, imagine from the 6.3 na price na in-offer namin, 6.3 to 6.5 last year, ngayon 7.5 na yung ating minimum total contract price na ino-offer dito kay Solen Residences, and that is for 150 square meter. So dito rin mapapansin nyo yung inventory natin kay Solen Residences, talaga namang moving siya. So magkakaroon kayo pa rin naman ng option, makakapili pa rin kayo. So kung gusto nyo dito kay cluster 1 or gusto nyo dito kay cluster 2, meron pa rin kayong mga pagpipilian sa ating inventory. And of course, dito rin kay Solen Residences, iisa rin lang yung ating magiging pinaka main entrance. So kung saan tayo pumasok kanina, yun lang din yung ating pinaka entrance and exit dito kay Solen Residences. So kahit napakalaki nitong ating location or napakalaki ng development natin dito kay Solen, may Solen 1, 2, 3 tayo, yun din lang yung magiging pinaka entrance and exit natin dito kay Solen Residences. And syempre makikita nyo rin naman dun sa mga vlog ko, lagi kong hina-highlight yung pinaka amenities natin that we have. So we have the swimming pool area and the pavilion hall dito kay Solen Residences, na kapag naman kayo is unit owner na dito, ma-enjoy nyo rin siya. So yan yung mga amenities na meron tayo. Then of course, we have the parks, playground, basketball court, which is common naman sa mga ino-offer namin, na meron talaga tayong mga amenities. So at least makita nyo, hindi lang from mga photos and videos na pinapakita namin dito sa YouTube or sa Facebook. So dito may chance kayo naman na pwede namin kayong iikot dito kay Solen Residences. So actually, Solen Pramana pwede namin kayong dalhin. So siya yung ating mga residential lots na in-offer dito sa area. And of course, aside from that, we have the ongoing then the Sadia condo. We have ongoing the pre-selling condo, which is the Tower 4. So kaka-vlog din lang natin yan last month. So sa ngayon, meron pa rin tayong mga inventory dyan. So Sadia 1, 2, 3, yan, naka-build na rin siya. So hindi lang lote or property na lot yung pwede nyong bilhin dito actually. Marami kayong pwedeng pagpilian, lalo na kung in terms of investment. So gusto nyo talaga is yung nag-a-appreciate yung value ng inyong property. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested, please don't hesitate to message me directly at 63917-513-2484. It's my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage, or you can message us directly rin through my email flashing on the screen. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you soon here in Solen Residences. Thank you!